What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today we're going to show you how to install the water station cover. As you can see in the Winnebago Revel, the water station is right here, but it's something to be desired when you start putting in all of our products, really making this look homey and custom in the back of the van, and then you have your water station here. So a few years ago, we decided to make a cover that would cover this up and tie it all in to everything we're doing, and then hide it all and protect it as well. One thing that we saw when we first came out with the GLSS is people were always looking to pull themselves up, and they were actually grabbing this and pulling themselves up into the van, and we realized right away we should make a cover for that. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Super simple. You're going to get 4 screws from us, and we're going to replace the screws that are in that cover. So the first thing I'm going to do is come in here and just take these 2 on top out and the 2 on the bottom out. Just like that. Put those to the side. This will pop on top, just like so. I like where this one's lined up. Nope. All right, so what I'd like to do is get one of these screws in, and then I can adjust these to fit, right? So that top one, to me, I need to slide it over. So I'm just gonna come in here, and actually, to make it easy, you would just come in here and loosen all of these up. If they don't line up, just loosen them up a little bit so you can slide them in place, and then we can go back and tighten them down. So do the same thing on the tops. That's it. Now, I'll drop this on here, get it where I want it, which is centered over the water station cover. I'll slide this one over, and just, I'm gonna get this started. I'll put that screw in and just start it. Okay, that's just like having an extra hand to help me there. So let's see how I can just slide it and get it in place. So what I'll actually do is lock that down. Okay. Beautiful. Let me do the same thing over here on this top one. Get another screw and get that started. Okay. See, now I can slide this around, right? And I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Just like so. If you don't have a drill and you just have a Phillips screwdriver, that'll work as well. Just take a little longer. Okay, everything's locked in. Now I can sit here and kind of adjust it and center it the way I want. And then everything looks good there. Now I can come in here and lock these down so it doesn't move on me. So real simple. There's that, same thing over here. Same thing there, there. one more little bite on there. We don't want it coming loose. Same thing over here. Okay, nice and tight. I'd like to get that a little tighter. Let's get this a little tighter too. All right, there we go. All right, nice and neat. All right, so now that that's in place, that's done. And what's great is I like to hook up a little hose to here. I'll have a small one here, so that way when I want to hook up my water, I just got a little 24-inch hose. I can bring it out here, tighten it up, fill the water up, and not have to worry about it leaking inside the van. A lot of people take their hose, go straight in here, start filling it up, and this thing starts leaking and spraying, and then it gets all down into the van. So by hooking up a small little 12-inch, 24-inch hose in here, leave it always hooked up. Whenever you need to fill, you grab that hose, you bring it out here, hook it up, and if it leaks here instead of into your van. So I love that. It's always in there, done. And obviously, aesthetically, it's a nice finish. It fills the whole van up. It just completes it. Now, if you do have a garage slide out deck, move this out of the way. You will have to take this cushion off to slide your deck out. No big deal. And then this will slide right out. You put your hitch support deck in and you can actually sit here. You put your cushion back in and you're done. So that's it. So just when you want to slide it back in, just lift your cushion up. Bring it back in. Put your cushion back and you're done. And that's how you install the water station cover on the Winnebago Revel. Super easy install, regardless if you have the garage slide out deck or a GLSS. That's how you install it. It's very simple. It's aesthetic. It protects everything, so you don't want anybody grabbing it, trying to climb up in the van, breaking a pipe or something like that and having a leak. So water station cover. Hopefully that value, the content that we're putting out adds value to your decision when you have you make an educated decision on things you might need to upfit your Winnebago Revel. This is one of them. Hopefully this video explains it enough where you can make a decision if you would like to buy that or not buy that. That's the whole purpose of these videos, is to give you content, show you how it's installed. Maybe it's too complicated, so you need an install center or one of our dealers to install it for you. That'll help you make that decision as well. If you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe, make a comment on there, send us an email, info@canyonadventurevans.com. Check out our website, canyonadventurevans.com. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook at Canyon Adventure Vans as well. And we'll keep coming out with content. We'll keep coming out with install videos to do everything to make life easier on you guys making your decisions moving forward. We want to service our community. We want to be here for you. We want to educate you, and we want to help you to make the right decisions for upfitting your van. We'll see you on the next video.